So we learned how to set up integration with MaxMind, control site visibility, add point of sale details, and configure advanced pages settings. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and keep learning. Hi there. Today we are going to cover 4 things: integration, site visibility, point of sale, and advanced options. So let's get started. First we have the integration option. Now remember, when we set default customer location to geolocate in general settings, this is where it connects to something called MaxMind. MaxMind basically helps WooCommerce detect where your customers are coming from, whether they are in your region or outside, so their shopping experience is smooth and accurate. Here is how to set it up. Click on the link here that says register a MaxMind key. Scroll down, click on create account and make your account. After logging in, you will get a special key in your MaxMind dashboard. Copy that key and paste it here in the integration settings. Once you do that, your WooCommerce will be connected to MaxMind. Next is site visibility, a very important one. You have 2 options here, coming soon or live. If your site is ready for the public, choose live and save changes. But if your site is still under construction, keep it on coming soon so visitors don't see an incomplete store. Now let's move to point of sale. Here you will enter some basic information about your store, your shop title, your shop physical address or home address if it's home-based business, your phone number, your email address, a short note about your refund and privacy policy. Once done, click save. Last we have the advanced settings. Here you need to select the main pages for your store, and this is super important. If you choose the wrong pages, customers was not able to place orders. So for cart page, select your cart page. For checkout, select your checkout page. If you offer a my account section, select the correct my account page. For terms and conditions, select the page where you have published your store's terms, no matter what the page title is. After that, just click save changes. You will see some extra sub options here, but those are for advanced users or big stores. So that's it for today's video.